Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening, sir.
evening, good evening,
Good evening.
everyone.
Good evening,
Evening,
everyone.
sir.
Evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. But where's your first year? आए हैं बच्चे?
Ma'am, they few of them are there, ma'am. We can wait for 5 more
Yes,
minutes.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Right, so I think we should get started. Nimi ma'am, shall we start?
You can start, please.
Okay. So hi everyone, I'm Manish and I welcome you all to the Big Bang, the freshers orientation session by the Department of Physics. I hope you all are thrilled to begin this new journey. I can assure you these upcoming years in college will be the most memorable time of your life. So let us kick off the event by quickly briefing you up with the flow of the event. First, the President, Vice President, and Secretary of Sparks the Physics Society will introduce you to the society. Afterwards, Dr. Nimi Singh, the convener of the Physics Department, will address the audience, followed by a few words from our faculty members. After that, we will have a brief virtual tour of our campus. And finally, we will open the house for interaction where all your queries will be addressed. Before handling the spotlight to our president, let me familiarize you with the code of conduct for the event. Please make sure to mute your mic until the interactive session begins or unless you are requested to unmute and speak. In case of any doubts and queries, feel free to drop your questions in the chat box. And at last, I would encourage you all to switch on your videos throughout the event. That would make the event much more lively. So I would request the President, Garvit Bhaiya, to get started.
Good evening, everyone. To all of you, a heartfelt welcome. I am Garvit K. Trehan, President of Sparks, the Physics Society of SDTB Khalsa College. Our society's goal is to bring together the people who are involved in and interested in various fields of physics. We are more than a society, we are a platform for students, professors, and researchers to express themselves, reach out to, and interact with others in their field. The society is made up of students from the physics and physical science departments, and we operate under the supervision of our respected professors. We host a variety of events throughout the year, including lectures, seminars, intra society meets, competitions, etc. The events are planned keeping in mind the richness and subtlety of the area of physics. We also hold weekly events such as Trivia Tuesday and Fact Friday through our social media accounts. Through webinars and seminars, we hope to give students an insight into various advanced fields and the current research scenario. And through intra-society meets, competitions, and weekly events, we hope to provide a fun learning environment. Overall, we hope to contribute to the growth and development of the physics community by hosting such events. Now, I would like Preet Pal to tell you about the structure of the society and the way we operate.
Hello friends, it's Preetpal, Secretary of Sparks, the Physics Society of FCTV Khalsa College. I'm going to discuss the structure of Physics Society and how we work. All the members are equal, but we purposely divide a society to different sections for better coordination and to bring best out of our efforts. President, Vice President, and Secretary mainly maintain coordination among society members, college officials, and our upcoming speakers. There are three core teams: editorial team, creative team, and executive team. Sparks have its own identity, and we are utterly responsible for all our publications. Editorial team compile all the content to make sure coherency, logical reasoning, and to look for plagiarism before it's going for publication. Creative team comes up with their creative ideas to present their thoughts and to make our programs more engaging. They make interactive organized posters and manage social media handles. In essence, they are the one who shape the image of a society in the whole big science community outside a college. Now, let's come to executive team. If you are the person who have the passion to bring practicality to ideas, then you are the person should join executive team. Executive team give final form to the cumulative efforts of editorial and creative teams. They organize posters, webinars, and manage registration and feedback forms, and they take care of discipline and proper conduction of society's events. Thanks. Over to Suhas.
Hello everyone, myself Suhas Adiga and I'm a second year student at BSc Physical Sciences with Chemistry. So by now you already know how the events are organized. So outreach about the society is as much important as organizing it. So with everything happening online, we don't get to interact as much as we could get to do if it was offline. So it is always good to have like-minded people around us to keep our spirits high within us. So now I'll be showing you our outreach platforms. We mainly have four social media platforms: Instagram, followed by LinkedIn page, and we have our own website and one Discord channel. So Instagram is mainly meant for posting the upcoming activities about the society for mainly within and for people outside the society. Manish, can you please stop sharing the screen? So we have mainly two events currently going on. So we have our Instagram page. We have an Instagram handle named Sparks underscore SGTBKC. So here we post all the ongoing things and the upcoming things. So we had a event called as Trivia Tuesday, where we post one challenging question every Tuesday. And you can see the posters here. We post one fact every Friday. So these are the things which are going, and we'll be updating everything here. And we have our LinkedIn page also. That also I'll be showing you. I'll be sharing the link with you.
Suhas,
Sorry.
someone else is also sharing screen.
Okay. Kasak Agarwal. Yeah. I guess my screen should be visible now, right?
No,
Yes, what it
share
is
it.
with.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
So this we have our own LinkedIn page also. Like LinkedIn also, we mainly post things whatever we post on Instagram. Like whatever challenges are there, everything will be posting in here. And we also have one website. I guess it is taking more time. Just a minute. So this is our LinkedIn web page. So we'll be posting, you can also follow us here. We'll be posting everything, whatever is happening within the society here. So this is also one mode of communication. Apart from this, we have our own society web page, where we have, for a person who has come across about our society, he can go through all the details about our society. So we have the announcement section, where we have the links of the upcoming meets, talks, or webinars, or any competition. So you could see there was a Google Meet link for today's session also. So you can access it from there. We have our social media handle also. If you can't find us on LinkedIn or Instagram directly, you can just click on these icons. It will redirect you over there. And we have an about section in our website, saying who are we. And there is an event section, where we'll be posting everything about the upcoming events. So for today also, we had posted it here. And we also have a past event section, where for example, if we had a webinar last week, the recorded session will be posted here, so that people who couldn't turn up can just check out the recording. We have a section called blog. Mm, Here we have the ongoing series things. And if you want to know more in detail, you can just, for example, we had a question posted on 23rd November. You can click on Trivia Tuesday, and you can just check the question in detail. And if you know how to, like, solve it, you can just click on the button here to submit the solution, and you can fill in the Google form. And apart from that, you can also check solution, because still there is 16 hours to fill the answer. This section is not activated till now. It will be activated tomorrow. And even the Fact Friday questions, we'll be posting it here. Fact Friday facts will be posted here. And we have a section called our mentors, where we have the detail of all the mentors who are helping us a lot. And we also have our team section, where you can contact us also. We have put our email IDs, and we even have the core team members list here. And we also have a Discord channel. Discord is mainly meant for the society members and people who are active within the society. It is mainly to to for anything related to physics, we can talk to each other. Or if it is even related to there are a lot of section which you can check out yourself. If you have any doubts, you can post in here. Or if you want to argue, have a debate on physics, or discuss something, or learn something new, we can use this Discord channel. So we have different section, you can just go through it. I'll be sharing all the links of our social media handles now in the chat box. Thank you. Over to Nimi ma'am, convener of Physics Society, to give welcome all of you.
Not Physics Society, handled by Sushil and Ramu, the convener of the Physics Department. So both of them will also brief you people. So before giving welcome to the first years, I would give my warm regards to all my colleagues and love to all my students who are present today. And on behalf of Physics Department,
Ma'am, your voice is bit low.
voice is low. अब आ रही है आवाज?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Okay. So my warm regards to all my colleagues and my students present today. And on behalf of Physics Department, I would welcome the first year on this beautiful journey of an entirely a new phase in life. This phase is obviously going to be the most, you will find it to be the most memorable period for you people, because the thing is कि शायद तुम लोगों के लिए for the first sem the colleges, they may reopen in the second semester by March or April, which actually the present second year students were devoid of. And we, the teachers, are here to basically teach you, guide you, cater to all your problems. But at the same time, let me tell you one thing, we are here to scold you people also. We can scold you for your mistakes, we can guide you for your mistakes, but we expect no misbehavior from the students. क्योंकि होता है. And on this platform, in front of everybody, I also want to say sorry to my third semester students whom I met yesterday. I could not recognize them, but then, yes, they could recognize me from my voice. And I'm really sorry, and it's really pathetic that they can't meet, they have not met their teachers face to face. And probably in the third year, they might meet the teachers, and I hope the same for the freshers also, that probably in the second sem, we all are able to meet you people. And now I would like to formally introduce all my colleagues who have actually been my, some of them have been my mentors, some are my contemporaries, and some are my juniors. And I would like to introduce them one by one, and I will request them to please switch on their cameras once I'm introducing. And also, it's a humble request to every teacher to please give 1 minute or 2 minutes uh, uh, guidance to the first years. And before that, let me also switch on my camera and show my face so that you people can recognize me. I don't know why my camera is off. Okay, so you can see me, and probably you can recognize me now. Once you meet me, the way the third semester students, they recognize me from my voice, the way I laugh. Okay, so our cinemas teacher, who had been my mentor, and obviously she is going to be the mentor to all the students, and Dr. Gupta ma'am, uh, she's a senior most teacher. She'll be teaching you in the third sem. She'll be taking your practicals in the third sem, and obviously she'll be teaching you in the fifth and the sixth sem. Over to ma'am, please. Ma'am, your voice, mic is not on.
Okay, okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, I am Dr. Anuradha Gupta. Have been teaching at Khalsa for last more than 37 years now. So I still remember maybe 6-7 years ago, there was uh, he was my student when I had just joined, and he had come to get admission for his son. And that was really hilarious that in my lifetime only I am meeting students and their kids also as my students. So anyways, so that is how it is. But somehow this year I am not teaching first semester. I have been allotted third and fifth semester. This semester I was teaching third and fifth, and next semester I'll be teaching sixth and fourth semester only. So first year I will not be interacting with this year, but anyways I hope to interact with them next year if I remain alive for that long. Or Baki, my best wishes to all the newcomers, all the new students who have joined Khalsa College. May you have the best of the journey. And it would have been more beautiful if we could have offline classes, but that is how it is. The times are tough, so keep your strength, remain motivated in spite of this online mode. Still remain motivated, keep up with each other, and interact with your teachers as much as possible. Attend classes, that is most important, because I know most of the students, they don't have this, at least in Khalsa College, they don't have this excuse that internet is not available or something, but still students are not attending classes very regularly. So please attend classes. Only then you will understand what the teachers are trying to teach you. Because if you just take one class, then miss another, then again take a class, you don't get that continuity. Okay, so please attend all the classes and enjoy your life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. What ma'am is saying is absolutely correct. Although there may be problems at both the ends, because I am also facing network problem. The students are also facing the network problem. But if you think that कि teachers तो ऐसे ही हैं, they are enjoying their life and making you people work hard, we people are working harder than you. So remember that, and please do attend your classes and try and respect your teachers, what they are trying to say. Okay, then we have Dr. Ajay Vadwa sir. I think he's not there. He's going to take your digital in third semester and analog subject in the fourth semester. Then I think Mamta ma'am is there. So she and I will be taking your mechanics practicals. So over to Mamta ma'am. Mamta, I think Mamta?
Hi, Nibha.
She's there. Okay.
Let me see if my video works. Yeah. Hi. Hello, everyone. So I have already taken the first year class, and I think they already recognized me because the first day when I take the class, I always switch on the video. So I'm sure they will recognize me. So really a warm welcome to all the freshers, and you have, I'm sure you all of you have come with great aspirations to this institute, which I will say has a very rich tradition in physics, and we have had many alumni students who have continued in physics, though some have done very well even in other fields also apart from physics. But I will say only one thing, that to all the students, whether you have come with the aspiration to continue in physics or you have come with the aspirations to do something else after your BSc, but till the time you are here in this institute, please concentrate on whatever you are doing right now. Of course, you have to train yourself according to whatever you want to do later on. However, still you should be, when you are doing something, do it wholeheartedly. Give your full to that, whether you continue in the subject or not, but still many skills that you are going to learn. I mean, physics honors course at the moment is has, it will build various other skills also in you. And as it is, college, is different than what you have seen in school. School is more protected environment. Right now, actually protection does not matter because everyone is working from home. But I'm sure you will be joining college soon, so you are going to face new teachers, new way of teaching, new classmates, new seniors. So you have come out of a shell to a new place, where one big difference is going to be that in school you are more used to spoon feeding. Most of you have gone through various coaching institutes, then various tuition centers and all that. So here you will be mostly on your own. So you have to, inculcate that habit of self study. That is very, very important. Self study and cooperative study with your friends. Teamwork is what you should learn. And please get used to the habit of self study as soon as possible, because that is what is going to help you. And we are all there, to help you out in your journey for the next 3 years, the coming 3 years at least. uh, you are free to contact any of us for any difficulty that you have in physics or in general. If you have any problem, you can, even if it is online, you can send an email and fix a meeting with any of us. We will be all, ready to help you out in anything. So a great warm welcome to all of you, and hope to have spent a very nice time with you. I'm really hoping that to get lots and lots of questions from you, and I hope you will keep all your teachers on toes to answer your queries. So all the best to all of you.
Okay, then let me introduce Dr. Shrikanta Datta, but already you people already must have met him because he has started taking your classes. But today being the formal meet,
Yeah, I think I have already spoken a lot, more than
no,
four,
but this is
five
a
hours.
formal meet, na? So
Yeah, I have already spoken to the last, those who are in second year for 2 semesters. They are now totally bored with those lectures, so I don't need to speak. Whatever it is, we'll meet in the class. Whatever, obviously, everything has been Dr. Anuradha Gupta, Dr. Mamta. You have already, Nimi said that how they should behave, what they should be doing. Nothing more. Thank you. Enjoy your classes. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then we have Dr. Ramo, who will be taking your classes in third sem. And I would just like him to welcome you people. Ramo, I think he was there.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Let me
Please
switch
switch on your camera for one second.
I'm on top of a building. I came for some work, so I could not reach my home.
Okay.
Please don't fall down, Ramo.
No, I'm not doing that.
On top of a building standing. Be careful.
Yeah. Hello. Yes. Here you can see the tanky on top. Okay, good. Our teacher in charge, Dr. Nimi, and our senior teachers, and my contemporary and my junior teachers, and Suhas, Pritpal, Jarvid, Karan, and who else? All those people who are involved in this Spark. I'm very happy to be part of this takeoff of the Spark. So before the Corona, we used to have a lot of Dr. Mamta and Sukan and many other teachers. We used to organize, a lot of talks and all. But after the onset of the Corona, so everything was standstill. And now, after dormant period of 2 years, or maybe now we are going to take off again with the help of all these wonderful students, and Suhas, Pritpal, Zarvid, and Karan, and Manish, and all these students. We are very happy that you all are very enthusiastic to we are very encouraged, in fact. So and in return we'll also encourage you. I also, on behalf of the department, I also would like to welcome all the first year students to the institutions. And as Dr. Mamta had said, we have a very great traditions of this physics department has a great traditions. We have produced so many students who are doing very well in their life now, and then they can be part of this Spark through alumni this thing sections. So you can always be in touch with all these people. They are all over the world, in Singapore and Europe and America and many other places. So you can we all can reach out to them whenever we need their guidance or help, or in whatever way. And also I want to mention, and then I wish all the first year, second year, and third year a bright future. And if you there is no alternative for hard work, so if we go on working hard, then the result automatically comes. So till the offline class starts, so we will be let's try to involve in the best way, and whatever the best way through the online and all online mode. And then I'm very thankful or thrilled to see the new website created by this team, and big congratulations to all of you. And last but not the least, if at all, if you are organizing any kind of competition kind of things or whatever way, and then so the prize and all is just for attractions. So there's some prize money, or in, so even if normally from the college side also they try to provide, in case if sometimes if that is not happening, then you don't hesitate to ask from us. Okay. So whatever kind of when you want to organize a competition or some quiz or whatever, you know, or just to encourage the students, we are always there. Okay, don't hesitate to ask us. So okay, so this Big Bang is going to be the real Big Bang. So congrats for this wonderful takeoff to all the students who who have given their time and energy and for this for our society Sparks. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope that this coming years 2020 coming years 2020, no, okay, the year has not been ended, so the coming years, let's have a wonderful time through this society. Thank you all the best to the team. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu.
How can I switch on? So switch on my camera.
Yeah. So I would, I'm requesting Sandy ma'am to please say a few words to encourage the students. She'll be taking a class in the third sem and in fifth and sixth. Surrender.
Hello, over to
Yeah, I'm just.
over to Dr. Dimi.
Yeah, Surinder. She was here.
Yeah, hi. You're calling me?
Yes. Oh,
Hello. I can't hear you, Nimi, actually.
Yeah, now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was calling you only.
Okay, so just a second.
Probably.
Yeah, just a second. I am doing something, so just a minute.
No, probably actually, my voice no clear.
Yeah, so that's the video. I hope you can see me. Hi. So I'm Savinder, and hello to who all can I see? I can see Suhas, I can see Pritpal, Anjali. Nice to see you. And yes, Manish and Garvit. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, so I'm not wearing my specs, so I have to little focus there. So very nice to see this platform that you have put up here. Very good. Try to interact with the first years because I have not heard any of the first years saying a hello also. So let's have a hello from the first years. So,
Ma'am, we were said that we should not speak in between.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's nice. So, but when you have an interactive meeting like this, you're supposed to put your videos on and kind of say hello or wave, whatever. So it's a time to enjoy. So enjoy yourself. And you've taken admission in a good college. Take the benefit of this. There's lots and lots you'll enjoy in your teamwork, in your college. There are a lot of extracurricular activities. There are sports. You have projects. If you want to study, there's lots and lots to work. There are a lot of competitions. I like this side. I like the hard work these people have done. And that competition on the name of Sparks, please now officially also give it again to all the students because we still need more inputs. The file that you have sent doesn't have enough names. So the question is that you have to elongate the SPARKS, fill it with the specific, extensions that you want, make it interesting. So do that. And I always wish you all the best. Okay. So enjoy this life, enjoy every moment and do some exercise. Don't be lazy. Okay. So all the best. Thank you. Bye. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So Kuldeep is not there. So I would like to request Sushil, who is actually the mind behind this social, this media, this Sparks and all. So he's the convener of the Physics Society. So I would just request Samardeep Beta. So I will request Sushil to say a few words and I welcome the freshers, please. Sushil, your mic is not on.
Hello, good evening. I am Sushil Kumar Singh, and most of you I'll be meeting in the third year for a DSc course. And I'll be very short and cut. First of all, I thank the present physics second year and third year students for making such a good effort, and I should say to provide sparks to the physics society. And lastly, I welcome all the first year students. And I wish that your ambitions, your aspirations, whatever you have thought about this college is satisfied, and not only just satisfied, it grows with time. Best wishes to all. Thank you so much.
That was a nice astronomy cosmology background you chose. Nice one.
Ma'am, your voice is again very low.
Now is it clear?
Yeah.
वो मेरे को हाथ में पकड़ना पड़ता है हम लोगों ने बहुत मेरे से एक्सरसाइज करवा दी okay so I would just like to thank all the teachers for being so supportive and last but not the least I wanted to speak about this in the last I really want to congratulate Pritpal, Suhas, Garvit, Anjali, Manish, Karan for the hard work they have put in for this website and obviously the mind behind this, Sushil sir, Dr. Sushil, Savinder, Ramu, who have obviously constantly been in touch with you regarding this physics society and regarding this Sparks. And I'm really thankful for reviving it. We had actually lost touch with our so-called Sparks Physics Society long time back. And I am right. I'm feeling very, I can't express myself. How am I feeling right now? Because we had started the Society Sparks and फिर वो डब्बे में बंद हो गई थी. And now it has again started with the hard work of you people. A heartiest congratulations to all of you. Right? And please proceed with your program. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, all the teachers. So, as you all can see, we have a wonderful set of teachers. So, these teachers will support you throughout your journey in this college and even afterwards. So, now let us move on to the campus. We have a wonderful campus. And since you all have not been to the college yet, and we, being the 2020 batch, can understand your feeling since we have not been to college as well. So, we have created a virtual tour for you, which Preetham Bhaiya will be presenting. So, over to you, Preetham Bhaiya.
Okay, good evening, everyone. This is Preetham Singh from third year physics honors. Here I'm presenting my screen. Just a minute.
Yes, what happened? Where is the tour, virtual tour?
Yeah, just a minute, ma'am.
What is
Okay,
happening?
is my screen visible?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so I'm here to present a virtual college tour as the first years are not able to go to the college. So our team has prepared this presentation to show you the college campus. So we have here the picture of the main building of our college. जब हम कॉलेज के मेन गेट से एंटर करते हैं तो यही जो व्यू है हमें दिखता है. ये जो है मेन बिल्डिंग है कॉलेज की और इसे एंटर करते ही सामने प्रिंसिपल सर का ऑफिस है. एंड ये कुछ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर्स हैं जो हमारे कॉलेज कैंपस की हैं. And this is the most famous place of our college, that is called Jannat. ये जो प्लेस है वो सभी स्टूडेंट्स की फेवरेट प्लेस है. जब फ्री टाइम होता है स्टूडेंट्स का तो वो यहाँ पे अपने फ्री टाइम में बैठते हैं. एंड this is how this place looks like during an event or a festival. And here I have some pictures of the classes that we have in college. ये somewhat boring लग रही होंगी, but trust me, these are not. Mostly classes में ACs वगैरह लगे हुए हैं और projectors हैं जहाँ पे professors अपनी presentations दिखाते हैं और concepts explain करते हैं अगर वो prefer करें presentation का तो. And sometimes we also have some sessions of beautiful scientific videos and documentaries. My batchmates can also relate to this. Okay, in the first picture we have one of the labs of our physics department, and in the second one here we have the dark room that we call as dark room. Here the experiments that require extreme dark, mostly the experiments of optics that are performed here. Okay, ये जो है हमारे कॉलेज की लाइब्रेरी है, काफ़ी अच्छी लाइब्रेरी है और about 1.5 लाख बुक्स जो हैं यहाँ पे हैं. और इस कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस जो है वो है इसका रीडिंग हॉल. तो जब भी आगे फ्यूचर में कॉलेजेस खुलेंगे तो आप उसे विजिट कर सकते हैं, काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस है. एंड हियर वी हैव द कॉलेज ऑडिटोरियम. it is a very beautiful and huge auditorium where so many events are organized. और ये कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं हमारे कॉलेज के क्रिकेट ग्राउंड की. काफ़ी बड़ा ग्राउंड है. अगर कोई क्रिकेट लवर है तो वो यहाँ पे अपनी प्रैक्टिस वगैरह कर सकता है. जनरली नाइट मैचेस भी यहाँ पे होते रहते हैं. And here is a beautiful picture that I got of the cricket ground of our college. And in the first picture here, we have the tennis court. Very beautiful tennis court is there in our college. और second picture में हमारे पास जो area है वो मेरे बैचमेट्स सबसे ज़्यादा इससे रिलेट कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हम सभी अपने फ्री टाइम में यहीं आकर बैठा करते थे जब कॉलेजेस ओपन थे तो. एंड हियर दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इज द कॉलेज गुरुद्वारा. काफ़ी पीसफुल प्लेस है और द वाइब ऑफ दिस यू कैन टेक हियर. और ये कुछ आर्ट पीसेस हैं जो कॉलेज के फेस्ट के दौरान शोकेस हुए थे. तो काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट्स हैं जो हमारे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा ही बनाई गई हैं. एंड हियर वी हैव द सेक्शन ऑफ सम ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरीज दैट ही हैड इन कॉलेज. आई हैव सम क्लिप्स हियर. ये जो क्लिप है ये थर्ड ईयर की जो फ्रेशर पार्टी है उसकी है. We are with Dr. Soni. Okay, so this next clip is from the Teachers' Day that we celebrated in college. Okay, here I have a clip from the Lodi celebration of our college. और यहाँ हमारे पास कुछ क्लिप्स हैं कॉलेज फेस्ट की। ये जो क्लिप है वो बैंड कंपटीशन की है। उसमें एक परफॉर्मेंस की एक छोटी सी क्लिप है जो दैट आई वांट टू शो। And here is one from the dance competition of College Fest. एंड ये जो क्लिप है ये उस टाइम की है जिसे कॉलेज फेस्ट के टाइम पे स्टूडेंट्स सबसे ज़्यादा जिसका वेट करते हैं। हियर इज करण औजला इन आवर कॉलेज। Okay, here I have a clip from where my batchmates are playing cricket in college.
अंपायर उठ जा।
एंड ये कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं थर्ड ईयर और सेकंड ईयर फिजिक्स ऑनर स्टूडेंट्स की कॉलेज में। और इसमें जो लास्ट पिक्चर है हम अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में यमुना बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क में गए थे, उसकी ये फोटोग्राफ है। थैंक यू सो मच। और होपफुली आप सब लोग जब कॉलेजेस खुलेंगे तो ये सारी चीज़ें अपने आप एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे, सो यू विल एंजॉय इट अ लॉट। नाउ वी हैव द इंटरेक्टिव सेशन विद फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स। तो जिसको भी कोई क्वेरी हो, जिसे कुछ किसी भी कुछ बोलना हो तो वो अपना माइक ऑन करके बोल सकता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, भैया। So अभी हम now let's get started with the interactive session. So अभी तक जिन्होंने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया है वो प्लीज कैमरा ऑन करें। I would highly request everyone to just turn on their camera and interact. इस सेशन में you can turn on your mic, you can speak whatever you want. You have any queries from your seniors, from teachers, या just कुछ अपनी खुद को express करना है, just open your mic and just say it. And I think we should get started with that. I would really request all the juniors to do that.
क्या बात है, फर्स्ट ईयर्स कहाँ गए, गायब हो गए, चले गए, कितने गए? प्लीज आगे तो आए थोड़ा सा।
कोई तो क्यूरियोसिटी होगी कॉलेज में आने की।
यार इनको लग रहा है कॉलेज तो खुलने है नहीं, हमें क्यूरियोसिटी दिखा दे हम। आ जाओ,
बात
शक्ल
क्या
तो
है
दिखा दो।
कि प्रीतम ने इतनी ज्यादा हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस कर दी इनकी कि अब ये बेचारे सोच रहे हैं कि ये तो मजे मार लिए इन्होंने और हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम स्क्रीन के पीछे बैठ के देख रहे हैं इनको।
इन्होंने भी कोई मजे नहीं मारे, 1 साल मारे हैं, यहाँ
नहीं
मर
पर
जा रहे
इन्होंने
हैं।
भाई
एक साल
एक
भी
साल में इन्होंने मजे भी मारे और टीचर्स के भी मजे करवाए। ये नहीं है, अरे प्रीतम वो वाली फोटो नहीं आई उसमें जहां हम ले गए थे कुछ बच्चे, कुछ गर्ल्स गई थी ना मेरे साथ और निम्मी के साथ एक लेक्चर के लिए।
मैम
खुशी थी,
देने वाली
खुशीला
बात।
It was from, I think,
हाँ
National Science Museum का हमारा।
हाँ हाँ वहाँ
मैम
की
वहाँ गए थे
पिक्चर।
और
ये
मैम
लड़के नहीं गए थे ना, लड़के गए ही नहीं,
एक्सक्यूज मी
इनके
सर,
पास पिक्चर
हमें
होगी कहाँ।
अलग अलग टीचर को
एक्सक्यूज मी
साथ में अलग अलग।
हमें फिजिक्स सोसाइटी में करने को क्या मिलेगा?
कुछ नहीं करने को मिलेगा तुम्हें भाई।
मतलब हम
आपको हम
डिस्कशन।
एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट। आपको क्या करने को मिलेगा, आप ही तो करोगे,
बोल रही हूँ।
हम थोड़ी करेंगे। हमने एक बात सुनो, हम पढ़ा भी देंगे, हम फिजिक्स सोसाइटी भी चला देंगे, फिर तुम क्या करोगे?
तो यू हैव टू
आप ही ने
डिसाइड।
करना है जो करना है।
हाँ, आप अपना डिसाइड करेंगे। टॉक टू गर्वित, सुहास, प्रितपाल, मनीष, दोज हु आर इन्वॉल्व इन फिजिक्स सोसाइटी। आपके मन में जो है आप उनके आगे रखेंगे, तो दे विल ऑब्वियसली ऑर्गेनाइज दोज काइंड्स ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशंस
आप एक बात
व्हाटएवर
सुनो,
यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन।
So
जो आपका
also
दिल करे, जो भी आपका दिल करे, आपको कोई आपको टॉक देनी है, आपने कोई चीज पढ़ी, ठीक है, आपको कोई आपने कुछ पढ़ा फिजिक्स के बारे में, आपको लग रहा है बहुत बढ़िया चीज है और मुझे अपने फ्रेंड्स को ये समझानी चाहिए, तो आप करो, आप बताओ, आप टॉक दो उस पे। नहीं तो अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई टॉक देना चाहता है वो दे, और कोई कंपटीशन आप छोटा छोटा, बात पता है क्या है, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें करनी है आपने, कुछ बड़ा नहीं करना है, बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें करनी है।